Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. So guys, this episode starts off with the Shongwane family ekuseni. They are having breakfast. Unomfundo is busy ngama homework last minute. So during that whole pity, Unga walks into the kitchen area. He's on a phone call. He then says, "Uyabona mina ngizokuthatha ngikuthathe ngikufake ey'ntweni." Yebo. Yabona uma ufuna isikhundla lesi enginaso, wena bafo kuzomela uhambe ey'nyathelweni zami. Ngiyatshela ngalokho angeke ushindwe yini. Everyone is looking at Unga, guys. That's how Unga, he's dressed so smart, guys. He's wearing a blazer, umechile, navy blue. Everyone's looking at it because the way he's speaking so loud, he don't even greet people like saying, who's that? Then says Ngaranje. Unga then says to the person that he's speaking to on the phone, Awubambe kancane. Who's that? Then says Ngaraje. Wait, as she's speaking like that, Unga then says, Yindaba ubuhlaza kangaka zethu. Awubona ukuthi ngiseqengweni. Have you ever seen me meddling endabeni zakho laphayana ngingene eclinic laphayana bilokho ngithi zethu hayi awukahle man awuziphathe man. Yo guys, uZethu is so shocked. uZethu's like habe, like to say, and then Unga continues on the phone call. He's like, "Hey bafo, awunese bafo, lalela mfethu, yazini, call me when you're ready." The mother and father uMashabalala and uZenzo are looking at one another like to say, "Hey bo, Unga ungenwe yini?" Unga continues with his phone call. He's like, "Yeah, uzobona ukuthi mina nosibonelo ukuthi sikuhlanganisela kanjani." Sharp mfethu. Immediately once Unga's down at the phone call, uZenzo then says, "Yini inkinga yakho? Yiyona ndlela yokukhuluma nodadewenu leyo." Unga then says, "Hawu kodwa baba, now ubonile, you saw how uZethu was meddling in my business. Uvele wabuhlaza uZethu, ngingakhulumi naye." uZethu then says, "Into ebengizama ukuyibuza," as she's trying to speak like that. Unga then says, "Yeah, Zethu, hawu kahle. Bakithi ngiyanicela nje. Angifuni ukulwa namuntu namhlanje nje. Ngizijabulele, ngiright, angifuni drama. Ngiyanicela nje." uMashabalala then says, "Wenga?" Unga then says, "Yebo ma." uMashabalala then says, "Awusho mntanami. Wagqoka kahle kangaka. Wenze njani? Noma uya kwi-interview?" Unga then says, "Lutho ma. I-interview is for abantu abanganama-connections. Mina njengamanje ngiyalaphayana kwaShwabi ngiyomtshela ukuthi ngiyayeka emsebenzini, ngiyaresigna. Sengi-right mina." Everyone's frowning at him. He notices that and is like, "Hawu indaba? Oh, benizishayela ukuthi ngiyofela laphayana ngithi ngiyanibona, especially wena Zethu. Bowusho njalo ne? Kanti-ke nikhohlwe into eyodwa bakithi. The fact that I am much better than leya ndawo. Angeke ngifele laphayana mina." uMashabalala then says, "Wenga? Ubona ukuthi ungumqondo omuhle to quit umsebenzi wakho nje kanjalo bengaqashanga ngokugcwele kwamasipali." Unga then says, ma. uZethu then says, "Is this job even legit?" Unga then says, "Yebo, usemthethweni lo msebenzi. Kahle awuthi ngifonele usibonelo so that you can all hear for yourself." Azikhulumele wayena nje. He dials the number asibonele, he puts it on loudspeaker. He's like, "Nakho-ke. Guys, uphendula umlungu. Your call has been forwarded to automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message." Everyone is looking at Unga at this point. Unga then says, "Yukuthi usese busy. I'm sure uMatasa busy nge-access card yami." uZethu just rolls her eyes to say ukuthi wena nga, it will snow. Unga goes on to say ukuthi, "Let me leave him a message." Bafo, ngiyathemba ubusy lapho. Ungilungiselele izinto zami ke. Awuvula ifoni, uya kucima ucingo mami. Hey, okay, sharp bafo. Acime ifoni Unga. He looks at uZethu, like, "Zethu, ilunch right lapho. Ufakile ulunch? Unophaloni. Nguthengile." uZethu just frowns like to say she's not interested in whatever Unga has to say. Unga then says, "Faka uphaloni, hawu Zethu. Ngizonibona bakithi, bye-bye." And then he gets up and the scene just ends like that. Next scene, laphana police station, guys. uDlamini, one of uSifiso's colleagues, is busy shabbering laphayana. She's like, "Hey madoda, Ngoba bengithi i-LO ifundisa amantombazana ukuthi avala amathanga. This one clearly had her legs wide open. Ay, bengawa-attend amaklasi lo. Imagine, we have to use nje ama-resources estate. Siyofunana nomuntu owathi nje yithatheni. Then she comes here and cries ukuthi ngiyasoltiwe. Oasalte ubani? Ebeyaphi yena? Usifiso walks in and is listening to Dlamini all that she's saying. And it's ukhuluma ngomnomusa, guys. The whole village, unomusa is the talk. Dlamini goes on to say, umuntu oziyisile. Usifiso then says, washo ke sibalukhulu. Dlamini then says, how kubeka? How angikubonanga yazi ungena. Usifiso then says, well, I'm here. Awusho ke. Yini yawenza ufuna uba yiphoyisa emangaka ama-career. Dlamini then says, how? Kulula phela lokho. Ukuthi ngibambe igebengu phela. Usifiso like, ukuthi ubophe igebengu. Dlamini then says, yebo. Usifiso then says, oh. Asikhulume nge-Bill of Rights, Section 2, Chapter 7. Wehle ngayo. Ufika ku-Chapter 39. You can see ba uDlamini uyaswaba because you can see she knows where Usifiso is going. Usifiso then says, yini? Abafundisa nge-college noma ubulova. Dlamini then says, cha, I mean I was. Usifiso's like, you were what? You are opening this big mouth of yours that you used to chew ichepis at the station. Uhleba indaba zabantu. Phambi kwabantu ukhuluma lo doda ukhulumayo. Dlamini then says, cha, kodwa vele. Akekho umuntu owaziyo ukuthi wenzekeleni laphayana. Usifiso then says, akekho umuntu owaziyo. Yini sisi? Obuvaleke amehlo mesifika unomusa kulesa simo. Ugqoke leyo uniform leyo. Ungu-constable. But you are saying such rubbish in front of people. Ungu-poison wena. You are one of the bad apples. Abantu bayahluleka, bayasaba ukuzovula ama-case la e-police station because they are afraid that the police will judge them. Khumula leyo uniform leyo sisi uma ikhula and retire. Uhambi ophuza nabangani bakho nihleba indaba zabantu while chewing uchepis. Dlamini then says, cha, kodwa le ntombazana, if it's not this, it's that. Hayi ngeke. Ayafana la mantombazana ahleze ngena lana. Duku umuntu uvula ikhesi useyayicisha futhi hayi suka nxa bayadina nje. Usifiso then says, awushaya umoya constable. Udinga ukushaya umoya nje. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, this is so real because I mean there really are police like ulokuzana uDlamini, but they must know ukuthi it's not for them to judge bona. They just need to make sure ukuthi they do what they meant to do. Anyway, next scene kwaShwabi, guys. uShwabi, he found out ukuthi there's money that's missing. So uthethisa his two workers about this money that is missing. He then says to them, nifuna ukungitshela ukuthi this safe ngizuvule sona. And more than 3,000 rands grew legs and walked out of here. Omunye wenu uyithathile le mali ngondla imindeni yenu, ngondla nina, iyona ndlela yohungibonga le. Zanele, manje awusakwazi ukukhuluma as uShwabi is busy shouting there, angene unga. Wadumangela ukuthi hayibo, what's going on? Unga then says, Shwabi, wenzakalani? uShwabi then says, lezi gebengu lezi zintshontshe imali yami. Unga then says, how? Labantu bahluleka to even take ama leftovers. Why would they steal from you? uShwabi then says, awukahle wena. If not them, then ubani? Unga then says, hey, anginaso isiqiniseko ukuthi ubani. Nama angazi nje. uShwabi then says, anginandaba. Niyangizwa? Ngoba nina nobabili niqoshiwe. Unga's like, kahle bo, ungabaxoshi. uShwabi then says, do you want to go with them? Unga's like, ini, ena. uShwabi then says, there's only one reason. Wena you are not a suspect in all of this. Imboba, you've held the keys to the safe and my home before, and nothing went missing. Nina ke hambani manje. The workers get there like, kodwa thina siyithathanga. uShwabi is like, nifuna ukuthi nginibizele uKhubeni. Phumani. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, hey, kusazoshuba la. Anyway, next scene we see unomusa. She is at the police station. So uSifiso then says, savarashana wena namhlanje. Wenze njani? Unomusa then says, kuzovala ikala. uSifiso's like, kuvala ikala? Ngobani? Unomusa then says, ngobani? Zonke lezi zinto abantu abazifafazayo la esigodini ngami. ukungihleba, ukungiphosela amehlo, blaming me. uSifiso then says, ngiyazi ukuthi kunzima kodwa. uNomusa then says, you don't know anything. Abantu basho izinto ezinyanyisayo ngami la esigodini. Ngathi angikho, angeke ngikwazi ukuyovela enkantolo, angeke ngisakwazi. uSifiso then says, kodwa uyazi ukuthi lolu daba lolu alusekho ngawe. Uyabona mawuxesha leli cala manje, udedela ulwazi ahambe, he will come out and continue to abuse other girls. uNomusa then says, ingane zami, ulungile ukuthi ingane zami zive all these things that are being said about their mother. Ngiyalivala mina leli cala, ngiyalivala. uSifiso then says, cala ukuthi uyicabangisise lento Nomusa. Bengicela ukuthi ubuyele ekhaya and think this through before making such a big decision. Nomusa then says, angeke ngikwazi. And the scene just ends like that. Guys, so sad. Anyway, next scene we see Unga, guys, usendlini, usefonini, ustressekile. Unga. He's busy leaving a voice message for umngani kusibonelo. He's like, kwenze njani mfethu? Yazi sengishiya ama-message amangakanani, awuphenduli. Mfethu, sengiphuma nala uhlala khona. Omakhelwana bakho, bathi wena uthuthile uhambile. Uyephi? As he's speaking like that, guys, there's a knock on the door. As he's looking up now, Brajo entering the house without anyone saying Gena. Unga's like, Brajo. He looks around because he knows he's gonna get in trouble. Brajo very aziwe ndaweni. So anyway, Unga then says, ubekwa yini lana? Brajo ahlale phansi. He's like, mfana wakithi, are you having a bad day? Unga then says, cha. I'm just busy. Uyazi lezi zinto zakamasipali, eh? Busy nje. I've been busy whole day. Unokuzana uBrajo then says, nakhe. That's why I'm here. I have a son. Ufuna ukusebenza laphayana kwamasipali. Yingakho ngicabange wena. Wena umuntu oqondile, onama-connection. My wish is for my son to get the job so that naye afane nezinye ingane. Abe nekusasa eliqhakazile. Unga then says, hayi ungakhathazeki, ngizomthonela something. Brajo then says, that 500 rand that I lent you will be yours. I'll clear your debt and the interest. Ezokhuluma kanjalo uZenzo angene. Isakungaranje. Uboleke imali kulo mgulukudu. Brajo then says, ungibiza ngani? Unga then says, baba cha. uZenzo then says, thatha lo mgulukudu wakho, niphume niphele la endlini yami. Brajo gets up, Nonga gets up. Brajo looks at Unga, is like, Chalu baba wakho. Ayeke ukungibiza ngomgulukudu. Angiyena umgulukudu mina. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, guys, we see uVusi ubizele uNomfundo ngaphandle, guys. He finally gathers the strength to ask uNomfundo to become his girlfriend. Listen, uNomfundo is busy playing hard to get. She's like, ngisazocabanga ngayo. uVusi is confused. He then says kuNomfundo ukuthi, so does that mean yes or no? uNomfundo then says no. Usho ukuthi, give me time to think about it. But you can see, guys, uNomfundo is so ecstatic because, I mean, she likes uVusi as well. Last scene, guys, the Shongwane family are sitting, they are waiting for Unga. Phela uZenzo wants to address Unga for the fact that he brought uNkulukudu in his house. Umashabalala sakhabab, ungamthethise kakhulu, Unga angene. As Unga enters the house, uZenzo gets up on his feet. He's like, wenga, awungitsheli. Usithatha isibindi to bring uNkulukudu la endlini yami. Ubeka impilo yama wakho nodadewenu enxipheni. Uboleka imali kunoMgulukudu wena nga. Unga's like, baba bengana choice. The pressure engiyitholayo la endlini, nami, I wanted to be a man. Bengifuna uziva njengendoda. uZenzo then says, umuntu ofana njengawe akafuneki la endlini. Eyumashabalala aphuze. She's like, cha baba, ungakhulumi kanjalo. Unga then says, sengizwile mina. Sokwanele, ngiyabonga mina. Vele, like, I've never been loved in this house. And the scene just ends like that. Guys, I'm just like, Unga, knowing that uSibonelo hasn't been answering the phone calls, because to me it sounded like uZenzo kicked out Unga. Where is Unga gonna go, guys? uSibonelo umropile, and it seems like Unga hasn't wrapped his head around this as yet. He's probably just thinking about uSibonelo is busy. Kanti Hey, he's being honored. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next